abandon attempt, abdominal injury, abnormal behavior, abnormal position, abscisic acid, absolute number, absorb liquid, academic achievement, academic curriculum, academic interest, academic library, academic year, academic debate, academic skill, acceptable risk, access mode, access key, access content, accomplish task, account maintenance, accurate reflection, accurate result, accurate position, accurate way, accurately estimate, accurately identify, achieve independence, acid content, acid drink, acoustic sound, act independently, acting governor, active ingredient, active service, active learning, active part, active substance, active mechanism, active compound, active brain, active change, active environment, active movement, active use, actively seek, actual process, actual method, actual distance, actually know, actually allow, actually lose, acute illness, acutely sensitive, add strength, add flavor, add information, add layer, additional reserve, additive effect, adequate level, adjacent room, adjustment factor, adjustment method, administration level, adolescent male, adult form, advanced structure, advanced system, advanced reading, advanced world, adventitious route, advocate reform, aerial part, aerial vehicles, affect outcome, affect productivity, African elephant, against infection, age limit, age status, aggressive behavior, aggressive manner, agricultural economics, agricultural economic, agricultural research, agricultural pollution, agricultural association, agricultural pest, agricultural plant, agricultural vehicle, agriculture expert, air sac, air current, air friction, air humidity, air service, aircraft hangar, airy place, alarm rate, alarm call, alien species, alien life, alien being, almost invisible, almost black, almost instantaneous, almost perfect, already perfect, also feed, also exhibit, also investigate, also push, also unlikely, alternative treatment, alternative hypothesis, alternative mechanism, alternative measure, alternative definition, aluminium foil, always exist, always interested, Alzheimer's disease, ambient air, ambiguous term, ambitious man, ample supply, analysis test, analysis factor, analysis software, analytical instrument, anaphylactic shock, anatomical structure, ancient tree, ancient forest, ancient knowledge, animal model, animal science, animal study, animal behavior, animal intelligence, animal experiment, animal fur, animal attack, animal research, animal care, animal test, animal world, animal center, annual ring, annual income, annual migration, annual fee, annual growth, annual trip, answer sheet, answer below, ant nest, ant species, ant colony, anterior region, anti-drug, antimicrobial activity, anxiety disorder, apparent lack, apparent contradiction, apparent attempt, appear first, appearance change, appearance design, apple tree, application name, apply fertilizer, apply project, appropriate age, appropriate fee, appropriate education, appropriate form, appropriate time, appropriate size, appropriate scope, aquarium fish, aquatic animal, aquatic organism, aquatic food, aquatic plant, aquatic bird, arbitrary decision, arbitrary set, Arch form. Architectural design. Arctic climate. Area growth. Area map. Arid desert. Arid zone. Armored vehicle. Armored vehicle. Army unit. Aromatic plant. Art society. Art club. Artificial lighting. Artificial evolution. Artificial limb. Artificial flower. Artificial environment. Artificial skin. Artificial language. Artistic vision. Asian elephant. Ask opinion. Associate professor. Athletic field. Atmospheric pollutant. Atmospheric quality. Attempt escape. Attendance rate. Attract crowd. Attractive female. Auditory system. Australia country. Author indicate. Automatically adjust. Automatically imply. Autumn leaf. Auxiliary role. Available nutrient. Available alternative. Available land. Average volume. Average pay. Average difference. Average lifespan. Avian species. Avian influenza. Avoid collision. Avoid situation. Avoid loss. Avoid harm. Award certificate. Background color. Background status. Background color. Background environment. Bacterial disease. Bad experience. Bad luck. Bad news. Bad year. Badly polluted. Balance sheet. Bald eagle. Bamboo fiber. Bamboo forest. Bamboo resource. Banana plant. Banana plantation. Banana fruit. Bank project. Bank policy. Bar exam. Bare ground. Bare skin. Bare soil. Barrier reef. Base compound. Base color. Basic law. Basic problem. Basic food. Basic literacy. Basic mechanism. Basic outline. Basic part. Basic understanding. Basic text. Basis education. Basketball game. Bath towel. Battle tank. Be prompt. Be liberal. Be genetic. Be optimistic. Be disruptive. Be persistent. Be asleep. Be endangered. Be painful. Be sad. Be abroad. Be adaptable. Be defective. Be exciting. Be imperfect. Be initiative. Be lucky. Be partial. Be proper. Be revolutionary. Be selective. Be special. Be stiff. Be straight. Be systematic. Be worthwhile. Be automatic. Be adept. Be conspicuous. Be durable. Be inconvenient. Be insensitive. Be intelligent. Be shocked. Be tough. Be usable. Be inverted. Be obsessed. Bead necklace. Become depressed. Become reality. Become routine. Become secretary. Become target. Become cold. Become irrelevant. Become certainty. Begin construction. Beginning phase. Beginning stage. Behavior control. Behavior test. Behavior study. Behavior pattern. Believe place. Bend head. Bend back. Beneficial relationship. Beneficial result. Benefit system. Big business. Big company. Big challenge. Big group. Big prize. Big supplier. Binocular vision. Biochemical mechanism. Biological basis. Biological change. Biological clock. Biological environment. Biological mother. Biology science. Biosynthetic pathway. Biotechnology company. Bipolar disorder. Birch tree. Bird nest. Bird diversity. Bird fly. Bird brain. Bird population. Bird flight. Bird flock. Bird flu. Bird conservation. Bird feeder. Bird habitat. Bird eye. Birth order. Bit pattern. Bite wound. Bitter taste. Bitter flavor. Bitter almond. Black bear. Black population. Black dot. Black leader. Black collar. Black market. Black swan. Black pepper. Black skin. Black label. Black clothing. Bland food. Block access. Blood cell. Body armor. Body color. Boiling temperature. bone structure, book show, booming business, botanic garden, botanic gardens, botanical gardens, bottom row, bottom part, bottom side, bottom dwelling, bottom section, bottom surface, boundary model, bowling ball, brackish water, brain structure, brain tissue, brain injury, brain region, brain imaging, branch system, bread dough, bread pudding, break arm, breakfast cereal, breaking strength, breeding season, breeding system, breeding ground, breeding grounds, breeding period, bridal party, brief survey, briefly mention, bright color, bright green, bright surface, bright yellow, brightly colored, brilliant display, brilliant red, brimmed hat, bring light, British ship, broad understanding, broad application, broad classification, broken branch, brown bear, brown streak, bubble burst, bud stage, budget cut, build number, building activity, building school, building technique, bulletin board, bulletproof vest, bumper crop, bureaucratic system, burn wood, business elite, business science, business marketing, business day, by rail, calculate number, calm down, calming effect, Cambridge University, camera footage, cancer treatment, cancer drug, cancer therapy, CanSoup, canopy layer, capacity growth, capture prey, carbon source, carbon trading, carbon atom, carbon cycling, carbonate rock, cardboard box, cardiac muscle, career management, careful observation, carefully plan, carefully observe, carnivorous plant, carry current, cartoon film, case basis, case system, caste system, casual observer, cataclysmic event, catastrophic flood, catch time, catch prey, Catholic community, cattle industry, causal relationship, causal chain, cause irritation, cause confusion, cause infection, cause poisoning, cause disturbance, cautionary tale, cave system, cell type, cell biology, cell membrane, cell tissue, cell function, cell surface, cell number, cell block, cell development, cellular structure, cellular biology, center bank, central cell, central question, central nucleus, central core, central position, central square, central platform, central support, certain circumstance, certain kind, certain section, certain animal, certain process, change behavior, change mechanism, change slightly, change accordingly, change approach, change code, chaos theory, chaotic behavior, character sequence, characteristic structure, characteristic matrix, characteristic description, characteristic odor, charge tuition, cheap energy, check method, chemical test, chemical component, chemical modification, chemical energy, chemical spray, cherry blossom, chestnut tree, chicken soup, chief part, chief factor, child behavior, child grow, childhood home, chocolate chip, choose option, choose place, choose way, choose correctly, Christmas decoration, chromosomal aberration, chromosome number, church community, circadian rhythm, circadian clock, circle time, circular pattern, circulatory system, circumstantial evidence, citric acid, city look, civic virtue, civil structure, civil works, clarify role, classic experiment, classical education, classification method, cleaning product, clear advantage, clear purpose, clear picture, clearly show, clearly separate, clearly differentiate, clearly establish, clearly related, cliff edge, climate control, climb up, climb tree, climbing plant, cling to, clinical medicine, clinical use, clinical evidence, clinical drug, close range, close examination, close similarity, close neighbor, close peg, cluster structure, cluster mechanism, coal tar, coast zone, coastal protection, coastal strip, coconut palm, coconut shell, code modification, coding region, coffee bean, cognitive bias, coherent field, cold stress, cold process, cold storage, cold zone, colibacteria, collaborative approach, collect water, collect material, collect firewood, collect food, collect rain, collective decision, collective behavior, collective system, collective intelligence, college president, college system, college entry, college graduation, colloquial usage, color pattern, color print, color structure, color model, color vision, color composition, color feature, color spectrum, colored light, colorful flower, color match, color vision, color texture, color scheme, color difference, combination method, combination approach, combined total, combustible material, combustible gas, come suddenly, come true, comfortable environment, commercial value, commercial crop, commercial potential, commercial version, commercial business, commodity market, common animal, common network, common purpose, common finding, common mode, common mechanism, common subject, common theory, common family, common nature, common class, common expression, common function, common parlance, common shape, common consensus, common environment, common bird, common hobby, commonly occur, communicate information, community ecology, community composition, community spirit, community level, community network, compact size, companion animal, comparatively few, compare difference, competition act, competitive ability, competitive disadvantage, complete summary, complete sentence, complete loss, complete transition, complete isolation, completely new, completely dependent, completely disappear, completely unique, completely blind, completely opposite, completely random, completely novel, completely safe, completely opaque, complex procedure, complex combination, complex interplay, complex tissue, complex signal, complex composition, component analysis, composite material, composition effect, compost heap, compound effect, compound system, comprehensive study, comprehensive assessment, comprehensive summary, comprehensive view, compressed air, computational biology, concentrate effort, concept category, concrete wall, concrete pipe, concrete structure, concrete mixture, concrete surface, condition change, conduct business, conference table, confirm importance, confront problem, coniferous forest, coniferous tree, connect method, connective tissue, conscious state, conscious intent, consecutive year, consecutive season, consensus view, conservation status, conservation group, conservation scheme, conservation union, conservation planning, conservation priority, conservative estimate, consider consequence, consider importance, considerable diversity, considerable growth, considerable progress, consistently show, constant care, constant speed, constant supply, constant rain, constant flux, constantly work, constitutional amendment, constraint mechanism, construction activity, construction cost, construction contract, construction stage, consultative group, consume energy, consumer acceptance, consumption material, contact lens, contact material, contact surface, contact information, contact process, contain oil, contain sugar, contemporary literature, contemporary thinking, contemporary study, contemporary knowledge, context model, contiguous range, continuant, continuous spectrum, continuum structure, contrast color, control factor, control behavior, control growth, control sample, control climate, control pest, control pattern, control infection, control program, control range, control status, control type, controversial aspect, conventional treatment, conventional style, convey meaning, cooking process, cool night, cooling cost, cooperative association, cooperative effort, cooperative relationship, cooperative effect, cooperative society, copy method, core drill, corn syrup, corn production, corn variety, corn cob, corn ethanol, corn oil, corn seed, corn harvest, corn starch, corporate charter, correct answer, correct method, correct choice, correct conclusion, correct decision, correct number, correct response, correct amount, correct usage, corresponding time, cost cutting, cost issue, cost level, cost rate, cost competition, costly material, cotton plant, cotton fiber, cough syrup, counteract effect, country produce, course program, course site, courtship behavior, cover plant, cover structure, cover type, cover face, cover mouth, cover back, covering layer, cow dung, create work, create page, create partnership, create business, create future, creation event, creation model, creature live, critical region, critical resource, critical step, critical time, critical commentary, critical process, crop science, crop protection, crop seed, crop improvement, cross area, cross breed, cross species, cross reference, crowded room, crucial aspect, crucial step, cuckoo bird, cultural inheritance, cultural support, cultural festival, cultural implication, cultural literacy, culture landscape, cumulative number, cure method, curing method, curiously shaped, curl up, current evidence, current market, current trends, current analysis, current distribution, current example, current investigation, current technology, current controversy, current obsession, current background, current behavior, currently live, currently unknown, curve method, curved shape, cut budget, cut funding, cut investment, cycle control, cycle stage, cycle regulation, cylindrical structure, daily value, daily cycle, daily allowance, damage ecosystem, damage accumulation, dance form, dangerous animal, dark line, dark gray, dark shape, dark pigment, dark color, dark part, dark chocolate, dark green, darkness light, data handling, data collection, data entry, day training, dead tree, dead cell, dead body, dead water, dead insect, dead skin, dead reckoning, dead space, deadly snake, deadly poison, deal flow, deal damage, deciduous forest, deciduous tree, decision maker, decomposition rate, decomposition process, decrease risk, decrease efficiency, decrease dramatically, deep learning, deep underground, deep knowledge, deep soil, deep place, deep zone, deep foundation, deep color, deep gray, deeply involved, deeply committed, default state, defense force, defense forces, defend territory, defense strategy, defensive mechanism, definite relation, diffuse tension, delayed response, deliberate destruction, delicate flower, delicate stage, demographic trend, demonstrate flexibility, dengue fever, dense mass, dense cluster, dense shade, deny possibility, depressive disorder, desert plant, desert air, deserve respect, design pattern, design criterion, design environment, design scheme, design expert, desirable property, destructive power, destructive effect, detect signal, detect light, determination system, determination process, determination result, determine relationship, detract from, detrimental effect, detrimental impact, develop quickly, develop degree, develop partnership, develop production, develop course, developed country, developed nation, development orientation, development goals, development association, development effect, development center, development pattern, development rate, development degree, development road, developmental biologist, developmental history, developmental state, deviant behavior, deviation value, device system, diameter measurement, dietary supplement, dietary fiber, differ substantially, difference exist, difference control, difference measurement, different habitat, different stimulus, different year, different combination, different family, different order, different range, different tissue, different exposure, different fruit, different organ, different disease, different behavior, different cost, different grade, different gradient, different information, different reason, different sort, different sound, different index, different resource, different seed, different sequence, different signal, different scheme, different season, different pair, different target, different altitude, different dimension, different distance, different division, different explanation, different flavor, different interval, different title, different elevation, different host, different need, different plan, different concept, different mean, different means, different result, different song, difficult question, difficult test, difficult change, dimensional shape, direct help, direct object, direction finding, directly reflect, dirty water, disadvantageous position, disappear altogether, disappear entirely, disappear forever, discrete event, discuss further, disease outbreak, display symptom, display area, display figure, display value, display picture, disproportionately large, distinct advantage, distinct stage, distinctive shape, distinctive flavor, distinguishing feature, distract attention, distribute information, distribution model, distribution change, distribution range, distribution area, distribution map, distribution form, diverse array, diverse pool, diversification strategy, divert attention, divine order, do deal, do service, document number, dog bite, domain class, domestic labor, domestic cat, domestic cattle, domestic application, dominant tree, door knocker, door frame, Doppler shift, double number, double check, draft plan, dramatic difference, dramatic example, dramatically different, dried flower, drilling hole, drink coffee, drop water, drought tolerance, drought tolerant, drug substance, dry fruit, dry environment, dry period, dry leaf, dry ground, dry flower, dual system, dual nature, dual role, duct tape, dump waste, dung beetle, duplicate copy, during trial, dwelling house, dye cloth, dye wool, early experience, early bird, early embryo, early America, early growth, early learning, easily available, easily find, easily identify, easily transfer, easily achieve, easily construct, easy day, easy management, eat animal, eat fruit, eat insect, eat fish, eat vegetable, ecosystem, ecological system, ecological community, ecological footprint, ecological study, ecological problem, ecological balance, ecological research, ecological significance, ecological character, ecology environment, economic term, economic environment, economic life, economic exploitation, ecosystem restoration, ecosystem services, ecosystem environment, edge technology, edible fruit, edible oil, edible fungus, education technology, education history, education bill, education funding, education principle, education science, education course, education regulation, educational establishment, educational science, effective measure, effective drug, effective protection, effective tool, effective functioning, effective defense, effective range, effective deterrent, effective production, effectively use, efficiency model, efficient production, egg cell, egg shape, egg production, egg salad, elaborate design, elaboration phase, elastic property, electricity supply, electronic media, electronic medium, elite college, elite status, embryo growth, emergence rate, emergence time, emergency food, emit signal, emotional disorder, employment growth, empty land, endless cycle, endophytic fungus, enemy plane, enemy submarine, energy wave, energy supplies, enforce discipline, engineering problem, enhance efficiency, enhance production, enhance status, enormous diversity, enormous pressure, enormous importance, enormous range, enormous animal, enough sunlight, enough power, enough protein, enrich soil, enroll student, ensure development, ensure success, enter number, enter service, entire nation, entire year, entire generation, entire race, entirely dependent, environment research, environment report, environmental pollution, environmental pollutant, environmental catastrophe, environmental conservation, environmental noise, environmental disturbance, environmentally sound, equal quantity, equal income, equally effective, equally adept, equally interesting, equipment instrument, especially common, especially sensitive, especially prevalent, essential oil, essential process, essential development, essential attribute, essential change, essential content, essential difference, essential oils, essential step, essentially equal, essentially identical, establishment model, ethical debate, eucalyptus tree, even distribution, event happen, event scale, event set, eventually lose, ever know, evidence analysis, evolution study, evolution strategy, evolution characteristic, evolution feature, evolutionary origin, evolutionary algorithm, evolutionary advantage, evolutionary strategy, evolutionary system, exact relationship, exact timing, exact definition, exactly same, example list, example check, excellent performance, excellent vision, exceptionally low, excess salt. Exchange process, exchange account, exchange environment, exchange market, exercise ability, exercise patience, exert pressure, exotic plant, expensive product, experience depression. Experiment facility, experimental psychology, experimental approach, experimental design, experimental model, experimental platform, experimental trial, experimental proof, experimental system, expert think, expert advice, explore way, expression pattern, expression mean, expression result, expression language, expression rate, extend coverage, extensive system, extensive damage, extensive discussion, extensive area, extensive analysis, external stimulus, external structure, external characteristic, extinguish fire, extra load, extract water, extract energy. Extraordinary degree, extreme form, extreme anxiety, extreme care, extreme caution, extreme example, extreme situation, extreme cold, extremely cold, extremely diverse, extremely expensive, extremely variable, extremely common, extremely practical, extremely lucky, eye collar, eye opening, eye skin, face extinction, face death. Facilitate expansion, factory model, failure rate, faint glow, faintly visible, fairway, fair amount, fairly common, fairly high, fairly recent, fairly similar, fairy story, fall somewhere, fall sleep, fallen tree, false negative, false statement, familiar example, familiar object, family environment, family name, family factor, famous artist, fancy ball, fancy dress, fantasy novel, far distance, fashion art, fashion designer, fashion clothing, fast change, fast growth, fast start, fat profit, fat tissue, fault system, favorable condition, favorite subject, favorable environment, favorite fruit. Feature description, fecal matter, federal support, federal money, federal troops, federal authority, feedback, feed chicken, feed material, feeding habit, female gametophyte, female flower, female sex, female teacher, female sexuality, female form, female offspring, female genital, female partner, female dolphin. Fertile ground, few inch, few second, few reason, field guide, fierce opposition, fight back, figure type, figure design, fill form. Filmmaker, film thickness, filter system, final act, final hour, final shape, finally find, finally reach, financial problem, financially support. Find planet, find nowhere, find significance, find interest, find mist, find rain, fire cause, firm supporter, first week, first thing, first division, first go, first review, first sample, first glimpse, first branch, first category, first selection, first move, fish community. Fit easily, fit together, fitness level, fixed time, fixed position, flame detector, flat roof, flat top, flat ground, flavor food. Fleshy fruit, flexibility strength, flexible framework, flickering light, flight center, flight take, flightless bird, float away, floorboard, floor tile. Flow freely, flow pattern, flow speed, flower garden, flower head, flower shape, flower bud, flower organ, flower petal, flower production, flower show, flower vegetable, flower color, flower seed, flower tree, flower market, flower bloom, flower season, flower stem, flower pot, flowering stage, flowering stem, fluid milk, fly over, fly back, fly high, flying squirrel, folk medicine, follow suggestion, following statement, food store, food company, food market, food deliver, food reserve, food supervision, food additive, food container, food flavor, food basket, foot soldier, forbid use, foreign currency, foreign information, forest ecology, forest reserve, forest vegetation, forest resource, forest plant, form society, formal name, formally adopt, former state, former method, former location, former kingdom, fossil species, foundation form, foundation base, foundation support, foundation research, free living, free tuition, free fruit, freely available, freeze injury, freezing injury, freezing thawing, freezing water, frequent occurrence, frequently find, fresh air, fresh mushroom, fresh flower, fresh smell, friction surface, friendly way, front foot, frozen ground, frozen soil, fruit fly, fruit seed, fruit yield, fruit development, fruit shape, fruit grain, fruit bearing, fuel debate, fuel depot, full text, full equality, full potential, full sunlight, full account, full penetration, full height, full code, full form, full possession, fully dependent, fully ripe, function relationship, function application, functional structure, fund company, fund investor, fund organization, fundamental cause, fundamental condition, fundamental process, fundamental role, fundamental characteristic, fundamental basis, fundamental form, fundamental thing, fundamentally important, funding system, fungal disease, fungal infection, further investigation, further step, further analysis, further advantage, further accelerate, further confirm, further protect, further complication, further exchange, further help, further spread, further analyze, further prove, further elaborate, further consider, fusion process, fusion result, future application, future look, future market, gain knowledge, gain admission, gain admittance, game player, game show, gap junction, garbage bin, garden plant, garden gate, gas chamber, gas flow, gas volume, gather material, gay man, gay people, gay identity, gender identity, gene product, gene structure, gene cause, gene regulation, gene encoding, general level, general assumption, general question, general skill, general intelligence, general tax, general structure, generally more, generate income, generate light, generate interest, generation plant, genetic influence, genetic code, genetic recombination, genetic cause, genetic manipulation, genetic variance, genetic sequence, genetic algorithm, genetic element, genetically determine, genetically related, genome sequence, genome project, genome-wide, gentleman, geographic position, geographical position, geographical variation, geographical space, germination rate, germination percentage, germination test, get attention, get reward, get support, get difficult, get information, get insight, giant bird, giant squid, glass structure, glass frame, global production, global assessment, global program, global epidemic, global resource, global function, global program, gluten wheat, go fast, golden eagle, golden color, golden chain, good place, good rate, good time, good variety, good crop, good mother, good teacher, good salary, good chance, good sense, good definition, good location, good match, good range, good spot, good strategy, good eyesight, good development, good look, good natured, good offer, good program, good effectiveness, good looking, good regulation, good transparency, government approval, government work, GPS receiver, gradual decline, gradual erosion, gradually lose, gradually introduce, gradually stop, gradually shrink, graduate study, grain yield, grain market, grain cereal, grain structure, grammar school, grapevine, grapefruit juice, grass pond, grass lawn, grassland area, grave site, gray wolf, great height, great flexibility, great tolerance, great rapidity, great size, great ball, great length, greatly simplify, greatly exceed, Greek goddess, green plant, green color, green label, green leaf, green collar, green bean, green vegetation, greeting card, gray area, gray collar, gray blue, grocery store, gross production, ground collar, group selection, group membership, group structure, group behavior, group control, group action, group distribution, group headquarters, grow tall, grow slowly, grow flower, grow fruit, grow grain, grow mature, grow tree, grow naturally, grow garden, grow inside, grow grass, grow outside, growth ring, growth structure, growth pattern, growth environment, gut flora, habit change, habitat degradation, habitat conservation, habitat protection, half empty, half full, hand gesture, hand report, handle affair, hard part, hard wire, hard layer, hard wood, hard thing, hard environment, hard lump, hard target, hardly surprising, hark back, harvest stage, harvesting period, have partner, have brain, have habit, have brother, have presence, have alternative, have blood, have friend, have symbol, have consciousness, have competition, have breath, have indication, have occasion, have relevance, have business, have storage, head region, healthy growth, heart pump, heat air, heat radiation, heated air, heavily polluted, heightened sense, helium balloon, herbaceous plant, herbal tea, heterogeneous environment, heterosexual male, hidden message, hierarchical model, high class, high contrast, high conductivity, high tree, high ability, high mobility, high rating, high stress, high competition, high court, high pay, high protein, high tolerance, high occurrence, high stock, highly prestigious, highly polished, highly professional, highly respected, highly susceptible, highly toxic, highly symbolic, highly intensive, highly organized, highly destructive, hind leg, hip bone, historical trend, historical background, historical significance, history thought, history evolution, history value, history teacher, HIV positive, hollow sphere, hollow trunk, hollow ball, hollow structure, hollow tree, home decoration, home education, homing pigeon, homosexual behavior, homosexual man, homosexual sex, honeybee, honeypot, horizontal orientation, horizontal movement, horizontal flow, horizontal position, hormone level. Hospital patient, host system, hostile environment, hot day, hot ash, hot process, how difficult, huge impact, huge project, huge sum. Huge empire, human cell, human interference, human ecology, human growth, human observer, human feeling, human trait, human care, human imagination. Human reproduction, human communication, human affection, human management, human exploitation, human task, hybrid seed, hypersensitive response, hypnotic effect, hypodermic syringe. Idea design, ideal material, ideal location, identical twin, identification method, identification tag, identify skill, ill effect, illegal logging, illustrate difference. Image format, imaging technology, immediate environment, immediate significance, immense diversity, immense value, immigrant group, immune reaction, immune defense, imperability. Impermeable layer, implementation strategy, important topic, important organ, important activity, important insight, important material, important mode, important habitat, important message. Important property, important fact, important investment, important meaning, important species, important thing, important constraint, important concern, important benefit, important respect. Improve process, improve rate, improve well-being, improve detection, improve survival, improvement center, improvement production, inactive state, inappropriate response, inbred line. Inbred strain, inch long, increase gradually, increase reliability, increasingly wide, increasingly professional, increasingly clear, increasingly efficient, increasingly serious, increasingly irrelevant. Incubation period, indeed lack, indeed important, independent institution, independent individual, index finger, index value, Indian Oceans, indigenous species, indirect route. Individual characteristic, individual member, individual need, individual factor, individual report, individual fitness, individual component, individual type, individual unit, individual word. Individual selection, individual soldier, industrial use, industrial crop, industrial farming, inevitable loss, inflict damage, influence function, influence occur, influence behavior. Influential position, influential role, informal group, informal style, informal term, information systems, information strategy, information supply, ingenious device, inherent quality, inherent tendency, inherent characteristic, initial concept, initial experience, innate tendency, inner ear, inner surface, inner part, inorganic compound, input control. Input field, insect population, insect larvae, insect attack, instruction method, insufficient water, insurance policy, integrate information, integrated project, intelligence factor. Intelligent design, intelligent behavior, intense opposition, interaction effect, interest relationship, interesting example, interesting idea, interesting case, interesting contrast, interesting insight. Interesting question, interesting subject, interesting process, interior surface, internal temperature, internal clock, internal state, internal tension, internal space, internal wall. Internal volume, international code, international research, international commitment, international program, international industry, international meeting, internationally respected, interview people, intricate web, introduce place, introduce control, invaluable role, investigate influence, investment process, ion exchange, ion concentration, ionization detector, irrelevant information, irresistible force, island chain, island life, isolated island, Ivy League, just treat, keep temperature, keep change, keep away, keep inside, keep condition, keep pet, keep abreast, keep development, keep balance, keep constant, key skill, key function, key advantage, key finding, key code, kill plant, kill animal, kill pest, kind thing, no limit, knowledge source, knowledgeable people, laboratory mouse, lack organization, land vehicle, language comprehension, language communication, language research, language behavior, large ear, large set, large pool, large canopy, large inventory, large grain, large chain, large cavity, last refuge, last third, last stage, last record, late frost, late life, late session, lateral position, lateral line, ladder situation, launch rocket, launch attack, law business, law administration, lawn grass, lead product, lead poisoning, lead position, leaf curl, leaf shape, leaf structure, leaf surface, leaf size, leaf sheath, leaf tissue, leaf plant, learning model, learning phase, learning objective, learning time, least time, leathery skin, leave litter, leave scar, left half, legal aspect, legal sense, lemon tree, less dangerous, less obvious, less visible, less chance, less conspicuous, less intelligent, less resistant, less developed, lethal dose, lie back, life care, life goal, life habit, lifelong learning, lifetime value, light intensity, light energy, light microscopy, light switch, light sensitivity, light technology, light resource, light exposure, light signal, light wood, light lamp, light brown, light spectrum, lightweight material, like animal, likely help, likely reason, lily flower, limit competition, limit damage, limited system, limited production, limited amount, limited understanding, limited value, limited effectiveness, limited ability, limited role, line mark, line distance, linkage analysis, linseed oil, liquid flow, list number, literal interpretation, literature database, literature survey, little bit, little relevance, little hope, live independently, live inside, live apart, live along, live underground, living fossil, living animal, living expanse, living world, living being, living entity, living environment, living tissue, local economy, local union, local revenue, local city, local court, local guide, local name, local resident, lock position, locking mechanism, long tube, long span, long night, long record, long stem, long axis, long value, long description, long distant, long drought, long row, long shot, long travel, long tongue, look similar, look hard, look outside, lose soil, lose ability, lose water, lose sight, lose point, loss function, lotus flower, love passion, low height, low protein, low salary, low strength, low visibility, low coefficient, low ground, lower loss, lower weight, lower energy, main function, main stem, main food, main subject, main axis, main artery, main interest, main question, main currency, main risk, maintain relationship, maintain communication, maintain form, maintain inventory, maintain growth, maintain stability, maintenance level, maize production, maize harvest, maize yield, maize grain, maize hybrid, maize variety, maize breeding, maize field, major decision, major limitation, major barrier, major importance, major constraint, major drawback, major employer, major species, major pest, major flaw, major market, major proportion, major disadvantage, make living, make adaptation, make bread, make furniture, make criticism, make trade, make bed, make content, make preparation, make tea, make wine, make comparison, make conversation, male organ, male behavior, male mouse, male lion, male body, male elephant, male human, male sexuality, male homosexual, male member, mammalian species, manpower, management industry, management history, management issue, management production, mandarin orange, mangrove swamp, manyshare, map database, maple tree, margin call, marine sanctuary, marine biodiversity, marine area, marine sanctuaries, marine water, marine conservation, marine reserve, marine biologist, marine fish, maritime patrol, marked tendency, market expansion, marketing channel, masking effect, mass spectrometer, mass spectra, massive volume, massive flood, massive hunt, MasterCard, matched set, matching pair, material construction, material manufacture, material manufacturing, mathematical expression, mathematical technique, mating season, matriarchal society, matrix form, matted hair, mature tree, mature fruit, maximize space, maximum diameter, maximum height, maximum yield, maximum number, maximum limit, maximum volume, mean distance, mean value, mean length, mean number, meaningful event, measure progress, measuring instruments, meat eater, meat substitute, mechanical system, mechanical support, mechanical force, mechanical stability, mechanical injury, mechanical process, mechanical mechanism, mechanical pressure, mechanism movement, mechanism structure, mechanism function, mechanism design, media publicity, median time, medical practitioner, medical experiment, medical inspection, medical plant, medicinal effect, medicinal value, medicine study, medicine drug, medicine plant, medium low, medium value, meet partner, member structure, member card, memory condition, mental process, mental state, mental representation, mental ability, mental capacity, mental healing, metabolic activity, meticulous attention, metropolitan city, microbial community, microscopic examination, microscopic image, midnight blue, migration route, migratory bird, military purpose, military uniform, military target, milk stage, milk yield, milling tool, mineral material, mineral water, mineral nutrition, minimum distance, minimum height, minimum area, minute amount, minute hand, mirror effect, misspelled word, mistaken identification, mistaken belief, mobile system, model approach, model list, moderately large, modern plant, modern application, modern conception, modern biotechnology, modern structure, modern drug, modern family, modest increase, modify behavior, modify view, modular structure, modulation signal, moist soil, moisture loss, mold growth, molecular analysis, molecular compound, monarch butterfly, monitor process, monitor quality, monitor method, mood disorder, more delicate, more dominant, more familiar, more rigid, more transparent, more generous, more substantive, more capable, more interesting, more reserve, more aware, more benign, more confusing, more desirable, more disastrous, more evidence, more experienced, more fragile, more noticeable, more reliant, more remarkable, more unusual, more valuable, more populous, more private, more salient, more acute, more committed, more conspicuous, more crucial, more glamorous, more optimistic, more palatable, more predictable, more prosaic, more stressed, more probable, more worrying, morphological characteristic, morphological analysis, morphological study, mosquito species, most reliable, most conservative, most difficult, most dynamic, most expert, most immediate, most individual, most interested, most novel, most wonderful, most aggressive, most customer, most delicate, most exciting, most meaningful, most painful, most peculiar, most plausible, most probable, most trustworthy, most developed, most harmful, most infamous, most poisonous, most refined, most social, most tolerant, most advantageous, most intriguing, most bizarre, motion detection, motivating factor, mountain goat, mountain gorilla, mountain air, move backwards, move quietly, movement control, movement occur, movement pattern, movie show, much space, much competition, multibillion dollar, multiple state, multiple method, multiple task, multiple item, muscle cell, muscle tissue, muscle mass, museum curator, mustard plant, mutant gene, mutual benefit, mutually beneficial, mystical experience, name description, name list, narrow column, narrow waist, national emblem, national importance, national strategy, national solidarity, national feature, national protection, native habitat, native state, natural product, natural reproduction, natural vegetation, natural barrier, natural characteristic, natural light, natural behavior, natural dye, natural event, natural fiber, natural formation, natural instinct, natural rubber, natural ability, natural control, natural course, natural place, natural regeneration, natural compound, natural distribution, naturally arise, nature nurture, nature resource, nature preserve, nature make, near relative, near infrared, nearly equal, nearly impossible, nearly universal, nearly round, nearly vertical, necessary repair, necessary process, need help, need cash, need something, need control, needless say, negative event, negative pressure, neighborhood school, nerve cell, nerve ending, nerve tissue, nest site, nest box, nest egg, net output, net increase, network analysis, network structure, network density, network account, network architecture, network formation, network node, network technique, neural mechanism, never succeed, never change, never lose, new breed, new layer, new mechanism, new pathway, new site, new community, new discipline, new potential, new range, new resource, new report, new challenge, new situation, new people. Newborn infant, next breakthrough, next season, night vision, night school, night raid, nonverbal communication, noodle soup, normal range, normal process, normal function, normal amount, normal growth, normal distribution, normal style, normally associate, north face, notoriously inefficient, novel situation, now seem, now realize, nuclear fusion, nut oil, nutcase, nutrient uptake, nutrient requirement, nutrient deficiency, nutrition science, nutritional requirement, nutritive value. Oak forest, object recognition, objective criterion, objective study, objective evaluate, objective setting, observation post, observation platform, observation method, observational evidence. Obtain food, obtain knowledge, obviously important, ocean depth, ocean tsunami, oceanic administration, offensive smell, offer hope, offer option, office worker, office block, official site, official blessing, often encounter, often spend, oil composition, oil yield, oil additive, old brother, old face, old method, old thing, olive oil, ongoing challenge, ongoing problem, only alternative, only method, only hope, only point, only problem, only word, only survivor, only motivation, only option, only help, open education, open gate, open bottle, open mouth, operation line, operation work, opium poppy, opportunity study, opposite effect, opposite sex, optimal condition, optimal growth, optimum condition, optimum size, optional extra, orange tree, orange slice, organ development, organ failure, organic chemical, organic fertilizer, organic evolution, organic system, organization strategy, orientation research, origin form, original meaning, original plant, original purpose, original thought, original size, original point, original scheme, ornamental tree, ornamental plant, other driver, other alternative, other adult, other task, other option, otherwise have, outdoor garden, outer wall, outer covering, outer margin, outer cover, outer zone, outlet pipe, outlook report, output model, outside environment, outweigh cost, overexploitation, overall framework, overall success, overall fitness, overcome limitation, overhead light, overwhelmingly likely, own community, own behavior, own history, own decision, own expense, own pocket, oxygen demand, oyster mushroom, Pacific salmon, pale yellow, palm oil, palm tree, panic spread, paper cardboard, paper cup, paragraph describe, parallel evolution, parent plant, parent move, parent offspring, parental care, parochial school, partial view, particular version, particular advantage, particular environment, particular function, particular sequence, particular case, particular kind, particular structure, particular variety, particular skill, particular category, particular class, particular community, particular season, particular relevance, particular manner, particular tool, particularly susceptible, particularly concerned, particularly attractive, particularly handy, particularly severe, particularly prevalent, particularly relevant, partly base, partner relationship, party control, pass information, pass rate, passing fad, passion fruit, pasture grass, patch size. Patent application, path length, pathogenic fungus, pathogenic mechanism, pattern recognition, pattern evolution, pattern color, pay salary, pay tuition, peak area. Perceive difference, perceive people, percent increase, percentage rate, percentage figure, percentage value, perennial plant, perform analysis, perform efficiently, performance score. Performance compare, perfume bottle, perfume industry, permanent home, permanent effect, permanent structure, personal space, personal behavior, personal observation, personal consumption. Personal interview, personal meaning, pet cat, pharmaceutical company, philosophical implication, philosophy professor, photo show, photo book, physical movement, physical destruction. Physical limit, physical difference, physical defect, physical manifestation, physical proximity, physical well-being, physical threat, physically handicapped, physiological adaptation, physiological mechanism. Physiological study, pine cone, pine nut, pine needle, pink flower, pink rose, pirate ship, place pressure, plain English, plan accordingly. Plant show, plant ecology, plant kingdom, plant distribution, plant taxonomy, plant diversity, plant study, plant hormone, plant cultivation, plant leaf. Plant culture, plant science, plant yield, plant density, plant specimen, plant structure, plant type, plant garden, plant grass, plant area. Plant flora, plant insect, plant resource, plant sample, plant stem, plant biology, plant environment, planting density, plastic waste, playing cards. Pleasant smell, plenty time, plow field, plural noun, poison ivy, poison dart, poisonous mushroom, political control, politics education, pollen grain. Pollution monitoring, polymer material, pool water, poor region, poor student, poor minority, poor boy, poor sense, poor crop, popular subject. Popular product, popular writing, popular fruit, population flow, port facility, pose question, positive affect, positive attitude, positive event, positive behavior. Positive people, positive mood, positive role, positive state, positively influence, positively identify, possess property, possible threat, possible route, possible benefit. Possible interpretation, possible number, possible range, pot plant, potato seed, potential advantage, potential contribution, potential method, potential value, potentially important. Potentially toxic, potentially help, poultry production, poverty alleviation, powerful means, PowerPoint slide, practical decision, practice medicine, practice change, precise location. Precise meaning, precise control, precisely define, predatory fish, predictable outcome, prehistoric man, preliminary treatment, prenatal exposure, prep school, preparatory school. Prepare work, preschool age, prescription drug, present level, present paper, present value, present number, preserve food, preserve wealth, pretty flower. Prevent cancer, prevent entry, previous figure, previous table, previous occasion, previous phase, previously report, prey system, price vary, primary element. Primary mechanism, primary system, primary use, primary way, primary route, primary research, primary issue, primary literature, prime location, principal reason, principal method, print image, private tutor, private teacher, private garden, private message, private university, probable reason, probably become, probably reflect, probably because, problem understanding, process structure, process cycle, produce grain, produce oxygen, produce hormone, produce silk, produce sperm, product experience, product series, production forecast, production growth, production model, production strategy, production supply, productivity quality, professional teacher, professional education, professional institute, professional study, professional discipline, professional trader, profound implication, profound significance, profound ignorance, profound insight, profoundly influence, progressive change, project center, project planning, prominent part, promote production, prompt development, proper condition, proper behavior, proper selection, proper training, proper distribution, proper development, property damage, property value, property element, property development, prospective study, prospective mate, protect animal, protect wildlife, protect heritage, protect soil, protected area, protective barrier, protective covering, protective role, protective structure, protective skin, protective case, protein molecule, protein expression, protest group, prove elusive, provide home, provide job, provide money, provide stability, provide motivation, proximate cause, psychiatric treatment, psychoactive drug, psychological science, psychological study, psychological trait, psychological process, psychological disorder, psychotropic substance, public class, public expense, public money, public pressure, public release, pump blood, pump air, pupil stage, pure carbon, pure white, pure red, push forward, puzzle scientist, qualitatively different, quality estimate, quality good, queen bee, queen ant, quick eye, quick peak, quickly learn, quickly grow, quickly destroy, quickly assemble, quit school, quite familiar, quite often, quite popular, quite short, quite tolerant, rabbit hair, racial equality, racially mixed, radio tracking, radio collar, rail track, raise objection, raise cash, raise head, random error, random distribution, random fashion, range distribution, rapid modernization, rapid reaction, rapidly adapt, rare species, rare plant, rare form, rare case, rare example, rare treasure, rarely venture, rather complex, rather simple, raw food, reach top, reach equilibrium, reach destination, read passage, read material, readily apparent, real history, realistic depiction, rear wing, rear part, rear leg, reasonable degree, reasonable accuracy, reasonably stable, receive instruction, recent innovation, recent investigation, recent revision, recently see, recessive gene, reciprocal relationship, reclamation area, recognition system, recognition effect, recognize signature, reconnaissance plane, record growth, recovery time, recovery process, recovery mechanism, red list, red cell, red rose, red rice, red pepper, red squirrel, red mark, red roof, reduce influence, reduce load, reduce intensity, reduce resistance, reduce noise, reduce speed, reduced level, reduction rate, reform design, regression analysis, regular rate, regular way, regularly appear, regulate market, regulating system, regulation method, regulatory network, related behavior, related task, related function, related method, relationship last, relationship model, relative proportion, relative density, relative frequency, relative resistance, relative time, relative value, relative amount, relatively unscathed, relatively dry, relatively unchanged, relatively isolated, relatively modest, relatively flexible, release carbon, release chemical, release pressure, relevant area, relevant situation, reliably predict, religious sect, religious instruction, religious zeal, religious image, remain alive, remain inside, remarkable result, remarkable feature, remarkably high, remote location, remote island, renewable fuel, repair mechanism, repair process, repair system, report progress, reproduction technology, reproductive organ, reproductive system, reproductive function, reproductive cycle, require energy, require maintenance, require assistance, require modification, require electricity, research support, research explore, research question, research article, research associate, research value, research region, research business, research tendency, reservoir water, residential neighborhood, resistant bacteria, resource availability, resource demand, resource limit, resource support, respiratory system, respiratory rate, response mechanism, responsible behavior, rest area, restoration ecology, restore balance, restricted area, retain balance, retention time, retired professor, return day, reverse effect, rhythm control, rice plant, rich diversity, rich family, rich plant, rich protein, rich region, right hemisphere, rigid wall, ring finger, ring cell, ripe fruit, rival firm, river sand, river fish, rock face, rock wall, rock area, rock structure, rocky coast, roll position, roll call, Roman city, romantic relationship, romantic era, roof space, root growth, root stem, root cell, root part, rote memorization, rotten wood, rough indicator, rough bark, rough sketch, roughly circular, roughly proportional, round square, round trip, round piece, round end, route planning, rub off, rubber tree, rule apply, run continuously, run around, running cost, rural school, rural environment, safe supply, safe production, safety risk, sale price, salt pan, same behavior, same pattern, same color, same place, same use, same era, same principle, same block, same content, same group, same role, same sequence, same signal, same orientation, same author, same frame, same information, same law, same source, same trajectory, same variety, same color, sample period, sampling point, sampling technique, sand bed, sandbank, sandy beach, satellite imaging, save resource, scene show, scented oil, schematic diagram, school administration, school classroom, school life, school place, science policy, science major, science program, scientific use, scientific classification, scientific work, scientific education, scientific experiment, scientific project, scientific effort, scientific examination, scientific thought, scrap material, screen image, screw cap, scuba diver, seabed, sea fish, sea current, sea grass, sea snake, sea animal. Search engine, seasonal migration, seat table, second year, second class, second attempt, second category, second choice, second row, second section. Second step, secondary succession, secondary schooling, secondary structure, secondary issue, sectional area, secure base, secure place, securely store, sedative effect. Seed play, seed germination, seed development, seed viability, seed production, seed pod, seed quality, seed extract, seed market, seed potato. Seed size, seed vigor, seed yield, seed source, seed stem, seek way, seek food, seize opportunity, select number, select group. Select field, selection effect, selection process, selection strategy, self-concept, self-contain, self-organize, self-incompatibility, semi-structure, senior advisor, senior director, sense organ, sensitive soul, sensitive time, sensory system, separate piece, separate operation, separate location, separate issue, separation anxiety. Sequence analysis, sequencing analysis, sequential pattern, series process, serious effort, serious question, serious doubt, serious business, serious epidemic, seriously polluted. Service improvement, service account, set direction, set place, settle down, several advantage, several project, severe loss, severe storm, severe punishment, severe shock, severely limit, sex hormone, sex difference, sex partner, sex determination, sex organ, sex behavior, sex ratio, sex act, sex chromosome, sexual orientation, sexual partner, sexual activity, sexual attraction, sexual arousal, sexual behavior, sexual preference, sexual development, sexual encounter, sexual act, sexual intercourse, sexual contact, sexual expression, sexually active, sexually aggressive, shade tree, shady place, shaggy mane, shallow sea, shallow soil, share food, share responsibility, sharp beak, sharp difference, sharply cut, sheet size, sheltered spot, shift frequency, shirt sleeve, shoot growth, shoot through, shooting game, shopkeeper, short route, short length, short interval, short path, short memory, short stock, show ability, show detail, show affection, show effectiveness, shrimp farming, shrimp pond, shrub species, sideline, side tank, sign name, signal system, significant force, significant importance, significant way, silent spring, similar environment, similar appearance, similar response, similar behavior, similar case, similar construction, similar benefit, similar information, similar kind, similar number, similar task, similar mechanism, simple equation, simple device, simple sugar, simple compound, simple technology, simple test, simple word, simple relationship, simple act, simple sentence, simple reaction, simplified representation, simplify structure, simply use, simply change, simply ignore, simply accept, simulation program, single cell, single people, single area, single structure, single woman, single form, single step, single key, single night, single room, single focus, single spore, single access, single story, single target. Sink ship, site selection, situational factor, sixth extinction, size measurement, skeletal system, ski patrol, skin irritation, slag heap, slang term. Slender waist, slight deviation, slight problem, slightly change, slightly bitter, slightly later, slime mold, slow reaction, slow rise. Slowly drift, slowly flow, slowly mature, small flower, small circle, small tree, small item, small pit, small distance, small dose. Small pocket, small step, small subset, small grain, small light, small branch, small fortune, small creature, small sip, small bed. Small dust, small place, smart way, smooth muscle, smooth operation, smooth texture, snake bite, snow drift, so crowded, so profound. So dependent, so distant, so effective, so kind, so quiet, so special, so ambitious, so transparent, so good, so worthwhile. Social psychologist, social cognition, social commentary, social animal, social attitude, social behavior, social connection, social responsibility, social bonding, social experience. Social information, social tie, social dominance, social reconstruction, social rank, social recognition, social capital, social circle, social act, social confidence. Social intelligence, sociology professor, soft layer, soft material, soft cover, soil loss, soil composition, soil microorganism, solid support, solid food. Solving problem, song play, song lyric, sound detection, sour taste, south face, south side, soy sauce, space telescope, space travel. Space layout, speak German, special structure, special force, special occasion, special place, special difficulty, special significance, specialist knowledge, specialized vocabulary. Species model, species abundance, species conservation, species number, specific kind, specific protein, specific pattern, specific name, specific requirement, specific response. Specific period, specific strategy, specific term, specific goal, specific number, specific object, specific question, specific mode, specific plan, specific reference. Specific design, specific item, specific link, specific reaction, specific length, spectacular success, speed camera, spend month, spend minute, spend billion. Sperm cell, spherical structure, spider web, spiky hair, spiral pattern, spiritual significance, spoiled taste, spoiled food, spontaneous combustion, spontaneously generate. Sport equipment, spray mist, spread word, spread wing, spread democracy, spring rain, spring flower, spur development, stable equilibrium, stable strategy. Stagnant water, stand building, stand above, stand straight, standard size, standard technique, standardized system, standardized test, standing water, star network. Start day, start school, start season, statistical significance, statistical analyses, stay home, stay close, stay execution, steep hillside, stem cell. Stem base, step forward, step stone, still regard, still need, still immature, stock bond, stock number, stone street, store state. Straight man, straight wire, straight back, strategic importance, strategy game, strategy level, strength durability, stress response, strict sense, strict discipline. Strictly protect, striking difference, strikingly similar, strong competitor, strong belief, strong feeling, strong friendship, strong proponent, strong smell, strong jaw. Strongly dependent, structural strength, structural damage, structural similarity, structural support, structural pattern, structural modification, structural unit, structure model, structure variation. Structure classification, structure regulation, student enrollment, student management, study approach, study explore, study community, study business, study ability, subcategory. Subject selection, subject field, subsequent research, substantial shift, substantial proportion, substantial market, subtly different, suburban home, success rate, successful way, successful rate, successful life, successful experiment, successfully implement, succession process, successive year, such behavior, such criticism, such game, sudden appearance, sudden change, sudden movement, sudden arrival, suddenly break, suddenly attack, sufficient light, sugar alcohol, sugar content, suit well, suitable habitat, suitable temperature, suitable environment, suitable location, suitable range, suitable place, sulfur dioxide, summer day, sunny climate, sunny day, suntanned skin. Superhero, superior ability, supermarket shelf, supply market, support area, support call, support function, support program, support capability, surface current, surface part, surface structure, surprisingly little, surprisingly large, surprisingly high, survival skill, sustainable production, sustainable farming, sustainable tourism, sustainable industry. Swallow nest, sweet corn, sweet liquid, sweet aroma, sweet smell, sweet people, switch off, symbolic meaning, symbolic significance, symmetrical shape. Synthetic dye, synthetic material, synthetic version, system level, system information, system mechanism, system problem, system administration, system setting, systematic method, systematic way, systematic bias, systematic development, tail end, take order, take flight, take practice, tall tree, tap water, target set, target level, target point, target type, taste bud, taste bitter, taste sweet, teacher staff, teaching strategy, teaching career, teaching model, team worker, technical school, technical institute, technical means, technique design, technique problem, technological process, temperature signal, temple garden, temporary job, temporary solution, terrible smell, test condition, test phase, test environment, testing standard, Thai food, then say, then let, then sell, then stop, theoretically possible, therapeutic value, therapeutic agent, thermal insulation, thick coat, thick stem, thick cover, thick rope, thick vegetation, thick grass, thin line, thin coat, thin stick, thin tube, think idea, thoroughly dry, thoroughly study, threatened species, threshold set, tidal current, tight junction, timber construction, timber production, timetable, time show, time fly, tiny bomb, tiny grain, tiny insect, tiny piece, tiny place, tip cell, tissue culture, tissue formation, tolerant system, too fragile, too successful, too controversial, top surface, top portion, top spot, topographical feature, total flow, total fall, total darkness, total sum, total sample, total intensity, total order, totally new, totally unrelated, tough skin, tourism industry, toxic pollution, track movement, traditional group, traditional concept, traditional herb, traditional image, train head, train technician, trained child, train return, training college, transcription factor, transfer information, transfer network, transition point, transmit signal, transparent medium, transparent material, transparent tube, transplant surgery, transport mechanism, transport distance, transport rate, transport safety, travel widely, treasure hunt, treasure trove, treat infection, treatment period, tree branch, tree crown, tree flower, tree planting, tree frog, tree root, tree limb, tree growth, tree stump, tree height, tree snake, tree shape, tremendous damage, tremendous opportunity, trend change, trial error, trigger response, trigger event, troop carrier, tropical plant, tropical sea, tropical species, tropical sun, tropical zone, true source, true understanding, true extent, tube structure, tube burst, tulip bulb, type selection, typical behavior, typical pattern, typical state, typical component, typical test, typically contain, ultimate source, ultimate control, ultimate solution, unanimous agreement, uncertain future, uncountable noun, under scrutiny, undergo repair, undergo revision, underground chamber, underground vault, underground room, underground stem, undersea cable, understand meaning, undeveloped area, unfamiliar environment, unfavorable condition, unfertilized egg, uniform color, union movement, unique contribution, unique flavor, unique information, unique experiment, unique requirement, unit cost, unit weight, universal education, universal use, unpleasant smell, unruly child, unsaturated fat, untapped potential, until now, unusual case, unusual variety, unusual event, update system, uphold principle, upper edge, upper lip, uppermost layer, upward mobility, urban citizen, urban youth, use magic, use key, use intelligence, use brush, use classroom, use expression, use perfume, use spear, use detergent, useful life, usually indicate, usually prefer, utmost importance, valuable tool, valuable source, valuable product, valuable part, valuable datum, value diversity, vampire bat, variable type, variation method, various measure, various degree, very wildly, very dramatically, vast bulk, vastly different, vegetable seed, vegetation community, verbal behavior, verbal form, vertical orientation, very dry, very diverse, very smart, very challenging, very thick, very conspicuous, very distant, very uncommon, very evident, very ingenious, very articulate, very agitated, veterinary school, Victorian era, video player, view option, vigorous growth, village house, virtual monopoly, virtually unchanged, viscous liquid, visible part, visible line, visit island, visual artist, visual effect, visual cue, visual field, visual stimulus, visual observation, visual signal, visual impact, visual illusion, visual aspect, visual display, vital part, vital resource, vital element, vital source, vocational skill, wading pool, wagon wheel, waist height, walking stick, wall collapse, walnut oil, want child, warm day, warm night, warming pollution, warning signal, warning information, wash hand, waste time, waste site, waste landfill, water rise, water chemistry, water bird, water tank, water absorption, water condition, water intake, water bed, waterproof layer, wavy line, weak force, wealth creation, wealthy elite, wealthy area, wealthy suburb, wear perfume, weathered rock, weed control, weed plant, weight load, welcome party, welfare treatment, well place, well developed, well protect, well fit, well prepare, well balanced, well maintain, well prepared, wet environment, whale oil, white cell, white spot, white egg, white substance, white collar, white pollution, white cabbage, white page, white paper, whole event, whole network, whole purpose, whole week, whole effort, whole existence, wholly responsible, wide association, wide field, wide distribution, wide currency, wide support, wide sense, wide definition, wide margin, wide use, wide vision, wide disparity, wide interval, wide open, widely popular, widely applicable, wild turkey, wild dog, wild pig, wild mushroom, wildlife reserve, wildlife park, willow tree, wind support, windstorm, window frame, windy day, wine bottle, winged insect, winter season, winter weather, wire network, wisdom tooth, with zeal, with insight, without difficulty, without protection, withstand pressure, wood pulp, wood material, wood product, wood shop, wood burning, wooded area, wooden hot, wooden spoon, woodwind instrument, woody plant, woody stem, word convey, word book, word number, work efficiently, work center, work situation, work distribution, work room, worker productivity, working memory, working definition, world religion, world business, world summit, worldwide production, worldwide distribution, wreak havoc, right name, writing material, wrong direction, yearly increase, yellow light, yellow collar, yield potential, yield decrease, young worker, young male, young scholar, young bird,